Hello and welcome to English with Miss Roxy. Raising bilingual children is so expensive. I wish we could, but we cannot afford bilingual books, expensive materials. What do you think? Hey, I'm going to be honest with you. At the beginning of our journey, I didn't buy any English books. And when I talk about bilingual books, it's the ones that you have half in Spanish and half in English. We don't have them at home. So I want you to have a look at this book. Mis primeros colores, okay? So have the color and the name of the fruit, all right? We have these kind of books that we bought it in a very cheap shops here in Spain. Because at the beginning, you are not teaching, longer phrases, or you don't want to read long stories. You want to connect with your child. That's the most important thing. Cuddles, hugs, kisses, looking at each other, opening a book, smelling the book, touching, and that's it. You don't really need to find every single opportunity to speak English. Connection is key here. So, sol amarillo, well, you can say, oh, look at this. Oh, it's brilliant. Oh, this is the sun. Oh, what about this? Strawberries. So yummy. Your little one is going to look at you, but most importantly, he's going to listen to your voice. He's going to look at you, connect with your eyes and your body language, gestures. Everything counts the first months, okay? So you don't need English books. We bought these ones at a very cheap shop. Now, as we start speaking more English, of course, we change our approach a little bit. And everything depends when you follow your child, when you are there listening, observing, taking care of the environment. So I know if you go on the internet, there are different authors that you can follow. They have brilliant books, amazing stories. But some of them are maybe 20 euros, 30 euros. Don't worry. If you follow your child's lead, likes, etc., maybe those books are amazing, but your child is interested in cars. But you want to buy the story, that has a huge message because you want to share values. You can do that on your child's time when he prefers to do that. Now, for example, my child is crazy, and many children are crazy about Peppa Pig, okay? And so if he likes that, it will be easier for us, I'm talking about also my husband, for us to speak more English because we can talk about the different friends that Peppa has, the family, the adventures they have together. So we started with these tiny books, as you can see, small ones, okay? And for example, we have Peppa's Friend, Peppa's at Home, Peppa at Playgroup, all right? When they talk about what they do, the very short sentences, Peppa Pig is busy at Playgroup. Good morning, Peppa. Good morning, and then you name your child. Good morning, Carlos. Good morning, Maria. Her teacher is called Madame Gazelle. Look at the teacher. Blah, blah, blah. These are very, very small books, okay? And then we have more versions. What about these ones now? As you can see, most of them are Peppa's book. And why do we like Peppa? First of all, because my child likes her stories. Okay, there's something about this cartoon that he's crazy about. So I don't need to change that. If he wants to read those kind of books, of course I'm going to listen to my child and follow his interests. So there we go. We are learning so much from the stories about friendship, about people from other countries, people with disabilities, okay? And also, of course, we offer other kind of books. And he is going to choose the one that he wants to read. All right, so what other kind of books, Roxy? Well, I'm going to show you this one. We're going on a bear hunt. Another one, off we go. And I'm also going to be honest here with you. Most of the books that we buy them at a second-hand shop. Son libros de segunda mano que están desde €1 y que me vienen genial porque sabemos que los niños van cambiando de gustos, así que no tienes que invertir muchísimo dinero. So something that you could do as well is to look for second-hand books, or you can also invite a friend who's doing the same adventure as you and try to rotate the books and help each other so you can save some money. You can also look for some sales on Amazon where you buy like a pack of 10 books, you know, and divide it into different sections. Like maybe if it's 10, it's too much on one go. 3 books this month, 3 books the other month, etc. Everything is going to change according to your child's like. So, of course, showing your child a variety of stories is going to help him understand the language better. Okay, every book has a piece of culture, how the family communicates, what they do, the adventures they have. This family is like that, but not Peppa. Peppa has another kind of friends, and you can also compare. Sometimes we think, oh, how come I say so much about books? He's just 2 years old. They understand everything. Of course, you're not going to tell everything in one go. You're going, step by step, try to follow your child's interest. So when people talk about bilingual materials, you don't need to buy bilingual materials. You need to concentrate on the books that your child is interested in. Maybe he's not interested in Peppa Pig. Maybe he likes cars and tractors. Go for it. If you don't want to buy books at the beginning because they are expensive, you don't find the right shop for you, you can go to different websites. I'm going to give you some guidance here on the description below, that there are some different websites that you are free to get some books. You can download some pages, you can print it out, laminate, and start reading the stories like that. So there is always a way. Okay, so the more you offer to your child, the better. Remember that the first 3 up to 6 years is all the input that they get, all the input, okay? The input not only with the language, but how you as a parent connect with the language as well, okay? And then of course they need to have the opportunity for the output. When they start talking and they find the reason why is English important. Or mommy speaks English and also Spanish. Is mommy bilingual as well? So all those details you're going to see on the way. So wherever you are right now, I want to cheer you up and carry on and continue, because this journey is amazing. If you want to follow more adventures, remember I am at Instagram and TikTok, English with Miss Roxy. Bye bye.